Hi friends, welcome back to Mendrix Max channel. Today we are going to discuss division algorithm of a polynomials. It's an important topic. We already know that what is a division and how we are dealing with the division process. So we all know that in division what are the terms we have to study. In division there are 4 terms we have to study: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. In lower classes we have discussed about these matters. Now let's discuss these topics and these terms in polynomials. So welcome back and let's move on to our topic. What is a division process? In division process, when we divide the dividend with the divisor, we get quotient and remainder. So in these cases, when we divide the dividend, that is polynomial, we get the polynomial remainder also and also quotient. So dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. In lower classes itself we have studied this one. So let's move on to the main topic. So for the more clarification, let's do these problems because we already know how to divide a number, whole number, integers, fractions, everything we know. So let's move on to the main topics, how to divide a polynomial. Here, when we are dividing a polynomial, there are 4 steps we have to remember. First step is we have to arrange these terms, the terms of the dividend, in the decreasing order of their powers. Let's look at this one, whether the question, the dividend is in the decreasing power of their order of the decreases. Just look here, power degree 3, here 2 and here 1. Okay, of course now the dividend is in the decreasing order of the power of their decreases. Now let's next step is to obtain the first term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. So which is the highest degree term of the dividend here? This is the highest degree term, that is 3x cube. 3x cube, and which is the highest term degree of the divisor, that is x. Then what we have to do? We have to divide the, what is the second step? 3x cube divided by x. So what you will get? You will get an answer, this one, when we divided here, x is common and x is common. So what is remaining here? 3x square. So write that 3x square in the quotient. And now what you have to do? We have to divide this 3x square into x. So what is the next third step to remind in the division algorithm for polynomial? Third step is to obtain the second term of the quotient. That is what is here. When we have to write here, what you have to do? 3x square, we have to multiply these terms by the divisor. Just look at this, 3x square into x. What is the answer? 3x square into x means 3x cube. Here look at this, 3x square into x. That is what? 3. That is x into x means x raised to m into x raised to n. We have studied a power notation. So x raised to m into x raised to n is x raised to m plus n. That means x raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what do you get? 3x cube. Okay, we have write the 3x cube here. Next, what you have to do? Here in divisor, 2 terms is there. So next term we have to multiply this one. 3x square into 4. 3x square into 4 means what? 12x square. So write this. Here only 2 terms. So enough. The 2 term is enough. Now what you have to do? We have to subtract the term. So in every division process, what you are doing? When we get the second here terms means we are subtracting. So also here we are subtracting. 3x cube by 3x cube. What is 3x cube minus 3x cube? That answer is 0. Then 16x square minus 12x square. What is the answer? 4x square. We have written that. What is the next step? We have to bring the another term. Then the next nearest term to the down. So 4x square plus 21x. Now again we have to repeat the process. Now first question we have obtained. To obtain the second term of the question, what you have to do? We have to divide the highest degree term of this one. Highest degree term of the new dividend. Now what you have get? We have got a new dividend here. We have to divide the highest degree power of the new dividend by the highest degree power of the divisor. The highest degree power is 4x square. We have to do that. 4x square, which is the highest degree power of the divisor, that is x. 4x square by x. So what do you get the answer? 4x square by x, that is equal to x here, not x here. So what is the answer? 4x. So this is the second question. Then what you have to do? Again repeat the same process. So 4x into x. What is the answer? 4x square. Then again 4x into 4. What is the answer? 4 into 4, 60. And x. So this is the next question, the next term of the dividend. Now what again we have to do? Again repeat the subtraction process. Then 4x square minus 4x square. That answer is 0. 21x minus 16x. What is the answer? That is 5x. Then what you have to do? We have to bring the next term down. That is 20. 5x plus 20. What is the answer? 5x plus 20 equal to, then now again we get a new dividend here. New dividend. So what you have to do to continue this process? We have to continue the new dividend here. Then we have to, what we have to do? We have to find the again quotient new terms by dividing the highest term of the highest term degree of by this divisor's degree. So 5x by x. 5x by x. What do you get? X cancel. We get a new quotient as 5. Again divide this new quotient with the again multiply the new quotient with the divisor. 5 into x means 5x. 5 into 4 means 20. Then again subtract this. What do you get? 5x minus 5x, 0. 20 minus 20, you get an answer as 0. So this is the repetition process. If any another term is same, means we have to continue this process. We have to continue this process till the degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Just look at this remainder. It is 0, which is less than the degree of the divisor. So in division algorithm, there are 4 steps we have to follow and keep in mind. So what is this? Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Please have a look at these problems, and if you have any doubt, means please comment in the comment box. So what is this? Quotient, what is the quotient here? Quotient is 3x square plus 4x plus 4. Then what is the remainder? Remainder equal to 0. What is the dividend? What we got? 3x cube plus 16x square plus 21x plus 20, and divisor is x plus 4. So when we divide 3x cube plus 16x square plus 21x plus 20 by x plus 4, we got equation as 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and remainder as 0. Before continuing this video, please pause for a minute and try to do this problem by yourselves. And after getting the remainder and quotient, then continue your video and verify your answers. Okay. Now, first, what do you have the working rule for the division algorithm? First, we have to look whether the dividend and divisor is in the decreasing order of the degree of the polynomials. Here, first look the dividend. X cube, next is 3x square, x. So, it is in the decreasing order. Next, just look x square minus 2. So, first just look here, no power notations for the x. So before that, for the clarification and for the easy purposes for our calculation, just insert 0x for the better calculations and for our better clearing. So x square plus 0x. For 0, there is no integers above, that is plus or minus. So we can insert plus x square plus 0x minus 2. This is the divisor. So now let's continue our problems, that is division algorithm. Which is the highest power notations for the dividend here? That is x cube. Then which is the highest power for the divisor? That is x square. So first quotient, how to find that? We have to divide the highest power degree of the first dividend polynomial by the highest degree power of the divisor. Then x cube and x square, that is cancelled, and that when we will divide this one, what you get? When we divide x cube by x square, we get answer x. So what is the new quotient here? That is, the quotient is x. Now what you have to do? We have to multiply x by this one, x square plus 0x minus 2. We have to multiply the quotient with the divisor. Then just look at this, x into x square. Here 3 term is there, so we have to look at the 3 terms. X into x square, what you get? That is x cube. Then x into 0x means whenever we multiply any number, any integer, any variable, what you get? That is 0. So 0x. Then what is the remaining here? X into minus 2. X into minus 2 is minus 2. So we get this term. Just look at here, x cube plus 0x minus 2x. So what is that? Minus 2x. So what you have to do next is our subtraction. Subtract this first term by the second term. When we multiply x cube minus x cube, you get 0. Then 3x square plus 0x square. 3x square minus 0x square means what? That is minus 3x square. 5x minus 2x, that is 5x. When we multiply here, the changes of the symbol. If here is minus means that symbol changes to plus. 5x minus 2x, that is minus into minus means plus. So 5x plus 2x means 7x. Then what you have to do? We have to bring the third term. We have to bring third term and write as minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. Then again we get a new dividend here. What do you have to do? Again we have to obtain a new quotient. For that we have to divide the highest degree term of the new dividend by the highest degree term of the quotient. That is divisor, sorry. Then what is this? Minus 3x square divided by x square. X square cancel, you get answer minus 3. This is the new quotient. Write this new quotient here, minus 3. Then what you have to do? We have to multiply this new quotient with the divisor. That is minus 3 into x square plus 0x minus 2. Minus 3x square, minus 3 into x square, what you get? Minus 3 into x square, you will get as minus 3x square. Minus 3 into 0 means what? That is 0x. Minus 3 into minus 2 means plus 6. You get a new here. So what is this? 3x square minus 3x square plus 0x plus 6. Then we have to do what? Subtraction. Minus 3x square minus 3x square. What is the answer? Minus 3x square is 0. 7x minus 0x is 7x. Minus 3x minus 6x. What is the answer? Here plus means what is when we are subtracting? Here simple plus changes to minus. Minus 3 plus minus 6 means minus 9. Now what you get? 7x minus 9. Just look at the remainder, that is 7x minus 9. Then degree of the remainder is 0. Just look at the divisor. When we get the remainder, its power notation is less than the degree of the divisor. This one, this 2. So it is less than the divisor. So we can stop our process. So what is that? We have to continue this process till the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Then everyone, we can do the verifications process whether our answer is correct or not. So let's apply that rule. What is the rule that we studied? That is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the dividend here? Dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. What is the divisor? X square plus 0x minus 2 and quotient x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. Divisor x square minus 2 into x minus 3. What do you get? X square into x. x square minus 2 into minus 3. That's we have to do. Then x into x square means x cube. X into minus 2 means minus 2x. Then minus here we are opening our bracket, okay. Minus 3 into x square means minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2 means plus 6. Then when we multiply divisor into quotient, we get answer x cube minus 2x minus 3x square plus 6. Then what do you have to do? We have to add the remainder. What is remainder here? 7x minus 9. Then when we add 7x minus 9, what do you get? First, rearrange the terms. So x cube minus 3x square minus 2x. We are here rearranging the degrees of the polynomial with the decreasing order of the degrees of the polynomial. So x cube minus 3x square. Then what is this? Minus 2x plus 7x plus 6 minus 9. So x cube, there is nothing to subtract. Minus 3x square also there is nothing to subtract. Then minus 2x plus 7x, what is the answer? That answer is 5x. Then plus 6 minus 9, that is minus 3. Just look at this dividend, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So it is absolutely the dividend. So what is that? Our answer is absolutely correct and we have verified the answer.